Each computer or each CPU executes instructions encoded in machine language. Machine language instruction consists of a sequence of bits which are made of ones and zeros. As you can imagine, this made it very tedious and time consuming for programmer. Programmers usually use high-level languages such as Java, C++, Visual Basic, and many other examples. But the thing is, the machine only know machine language. So after the programmer writes a program in high-level language, the source code has to be translated to machine language before it can be executed, or before it will be executed. And this is done by using compiler. Just think of compiler like a box that accepts a program that is written in a high-level language such as C++. And once this box accepts these high-level languages program, it produces a translation into the targeted machine language. For example, here, this C++ compiler accepts a program that is written in C++, that is which is a high-level language. And once it accepts it and it do the translation, and when it comes out, it become a program with encoded in machine language, which can be executed by the computer, so that it can be executed by the machine, by the CPU. Java is a little bit different. Java compiler first compile the source program into bytecode. Bytecode to run the bytecode requires a Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. JVM is not a piece of hardware. It is just a software that you can install on your computer. So the bytecode run on any computer that has installed JVMs. So usually Java program only need to be compiled into bytecode just one time, and it could run on any computer that has installed JVM. Of course, most programmers will use IDEs to do the Java development. Usually IDE comes with a lot of features that could make the development much more efficient. However, you don't actually need any IDE to do programming. You can actually write programming in any text editor such as Notepad, and compile it with Java JDK. And you must install Java JDK to do Java development. Here I will create a Java program using Notepad, new text document. I'm just going to copy my code from the IDE Eclipse. Just going to copy the whole code, paste in the text editor. I'm going to save it as, choose all file, name hello world.java. Now the file name has to match the class name, hello world. Even it's also case sensitive. So hello world.java, and save. I'm gonna save it in a hello folder. Okay, now I have a .java file in my hello folder on my desktop. If I want to compile and run this hello world.java for the first time on my computer from the command line, I have to set up the path variable for my Windows. And here is how I do it. First of all, I need to find the location of the JDK where it's installed. So mine is installed. Usually it's gonna be in the program file. So JDK and bin. Basically, I'm just gonna have to copy this address here and go to Start, Computer, right click, Property, Advanced System Setting, and Environment Variable. If you click in there and type P, it should directly get you to the path variable in there, or you can just look for it. You can just go over and look for path. I'm just gonna do this and add it. Now I have already copied it in here, obviously, but it originally should look like this. But do not delete the whatever it has, whatever it have over here. Just put in a semicolon and type in the address for the JDK and click OK. Obviously, I'm not gonna do it again. But once you clicked OK, once you've done everything, you have to restart the computer in order to make it work. Now, if I go to the command line, if I type in cmd, I'm gonna go to my hello folder, which has my Hello World program. I'm gonna do cd and paste the path. cd means change directory. Basically, I'm telling the computer, say, go to this directory. Alright, I'm in that directory right now. I'm gonna first compile this hello world.java. This is how you do it. You use javac space file name.java. So my file name is hello world.java. So hello world.java, and then hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, you can see in the file folder there is a hello world.class file that is there. That means the compilation is successful. So if you want to run this Java file software or program, you can do java space hello world. No .java here. It's just Java hello world. There's no .java extension. So if you hit enter, you can see the program is running. It's printing out hello world. That is exactly what I asked it to do in the program. If I run it in Eclipse, that's also how it looks like.